If you love the taste of pizza but can't have the carbs, you're going to love today's creation. Howard shows us how to make pepperoni pizza chicken in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
When it comes to pizza, do you know what the most popular topping is? If you guessed pepperoni, you're right. It's a hands down favorite, which is why we thought, why not take everything we love about a classic pepperoni pizza and team it up with chicken breasts? The results? Well, we'll let you be the judge. To make it, we start by seasoning boneless, skinless chicken breasts with some salt and pepper. This will ensure that every bite is really flavorful. Then we bread each breast with some seasoned breadcrumbs and place them on a baking sheet. After these bake for about 15 minutes, we top each piece with some pizza sauce, a bit of mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, and last but not least, some dried oregano. And now, back into the oven they go until the cheese is all melty. Once they're done, get ready to enjoy a dinner like no other. After all, how can you beat a tasty mashup like this? Plus, when you serve it with a green salad and some garlic rolls, it's doubly good. To get the flavor-packed recipe for our pepperoni pizza chicken, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly, who's wearing her pizza earrings today in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a Mamma Mia way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Pizza earrings.
Well, you can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.